Welcome back to eSIM Studios. Boy, do we have a treat for you today. So, Thinborn was kind enough to send over their latest and greatest case for free in return for a YouTube video review of the Thinborne Case aramid fiber case for the S25 Edge. It is a beautiful device. It is nice, it is sleek, it is lightweight, and last but not least, it is thin. You want to protect this thing. It's a pretty penny. And the last thing you want to do is slap on a big, bulky case. Defeats the whole purpose of even buying this phone, right? Because it's so nice, it's so lightweight. If you only had a nice, thin, lightweight case to protect your device, well, that's where Thinborn comes in. Their newest aramid fiber case is finally available to purchase, and there will be links down below in the video description where you can get this case for your S25 Edge. This comes with a case that we will review in just a second and a screen protector, but I'm going to move this phone to the side so we don't lose focus. Definitely want to focus in on this. I love Thinborn because comes with a set of care instructions and obviously warranty. You can certainly trust Thinborn. They've been nothing but great over there. Really been a pleasure working with them. Definitely comes with a warranty and also how to take care of your aramid fiber case. Now, if you don't know, aramid fiber is actually perfect for phones. It's actually slightly stronger than carbon fiber, and the application for aramid fiber better fits phones than a carbon fiber, so that's why they choose aramid fiber. But certainly looks like carbon fiber, certainly feels like carbon fiber. It's like carbon fiber's brother, right? You also get a screen protector, which we will put on the device here, and what do you know, it is MagSafe compatible. So there is a ring in here for MagSafe users if you have one in your car, in your home. And then this is for the don't return it to the store. Call them, get in contact with them. They will make everything right, I can promise you that. And then your screen protector accessories that we'll put on here in just a second. Comes in a nice outfit right here for you. So we'll move that to the side and check this case out. Again, it is aramid fiber. It is thin. And man, does it look good. So as you can tell, I have been using it for a few days. I always get these in the mail and then use them. I use them because I want to know the look, the feel, how your phone operates in them. Is there any pros, cons? And boy, there's a lot of pros to hear. Very little cons. In fact, I don't even think there is one. This is what I like about Thinborn is the R&D. So what it takes, the make and build and the quality of this case. Everything's nice, everything's smooth, everything just looks and feels absolutely phenomenal. You got your nice cutout there right down here for the dual mics up top. Getting back down below, it has the slit here, and that's good for allowing this to flex a little bit so you can take it, put it on and take it off. You have a cutout there for your speaker, and then you have cutout here for your volume down, volume up, and your power button. And then last but not least, you want to make sure your sensors, your camera sensors, are covered. This definitely protects your sensors, and we'll throw the phone in there and take a good look at it. But just look at the quality, craftsmanship. I mean, this is absolutely perfected. Each groove, each angle is just absolutely perfect. It hardly weighs anything. Slight flex, nothing crazy, but that's okay. Again, easy to put on, easy to take off. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Let me show you how this goes in. So just boom, pop it on just like that. Make sure all the corners are in, and man, does that look good. You really get the look, you really get the feel, the thinness of this device. As you can tell, super thin, super lightweight, just an absolute perfect match. If you're getting, or if you have this phone, this is a must. This is an absolute must. You got to get this case, no questions asked. You don't want to put anything that's big and bulky on this phone because it defeats the whole purpose of getting this phone. And this case protects this device phenomenally. Perfect cutouts, as you can tell. Cut out there. See the fit. See how everything's just absolutely perfectly lined up. You do get some screen protection. So look at this. So obviously not right here because that's cut out for the power button and volume buttons. But look at this. You're getting raised corners. You're getting raised sides, 360 degrees around. So if you do lay this down, even if you put the screen protector on it, you're going to be protecting the screen. So as you can tell, it comes out just slightly, just barely over the screen, and that's perfect because you can lay it face down. Don't have to worry about scratching the display. Onto those sensors. Check this out. See how well that looks? See how perfectly aligned they are? And the sensors actually sit down and inside those cutouts. So you're not going to scratch those at all. So you can lay it on its back, but look at that. Perfect. Perfect cutouts. Now let me discuss taking this off. I've seen a couple of questions in the comments. How do you get the case off? It is slightly a tight fit, but it needs to be a tight fit. It almost has to be to get a perfect fit on here. Now let me show you how I take these off. Pretty easy. All I do is I get one corner started, usually the corner wherever the cameras are on. So if the sensors are on this right side, I'll start with this right corner right here, and then I'll do the opposite corner here. Right, so I got this corner off and that corner off. You can see the top of the phone. And then what you do is just simply push through where these sensors. Don't worry, you're not going to break the little sensor. Just take it off. Just push it on through. Just like that. So use that to your advantage. Push the phone through the case and it comes off nice and easy. And goes on. Pretty snug fit. I really like the fact that they have this exposed so you know exactly what button you're pushing. And those will not get damaged if you do happen to drop it. Again, it's covered. The buttons are actually sit. There we go. Yeah. I was trying to get the right angle so you can see. It's kind of hard to tell, but the buttons sit up and in there, so they're not going to get damaged if it falls on its side. It's going to be nice and safe. So every aspect of the phone is covered. The front of your screen, your sensors are covered, your camera sensors are covered, these buttons are covered, the bottom of the phone is covered. As you can tell right here, if it drops like this, it's not going to damage anything. So the phone is completely covered 100%, even though you get such a nice look and nice feel of this case. You get the look and feel of the original phone, and that's exactly what I wanted. Now let's go ahead and put on the screen protector real quick, and we will see how that process goes. Nice and easy. Now I will go through the kit here and how we put it on. I'll probably fast forward it through most of it just to make this video not super long, but you get the screen protector accessories and you get your screen protector. So this is a quality screen protector. This is real glass. I've used these before. Very nice and easy to put on. So what we'll do is put this to the side. You want to make sure you have a nice and clean surface. No fuzz. You don't want any fuzz. So I got my little trusty spray here. Now I'm not necessarily going to clean the screen, but I'm going to clean everything around it. So best practice for this is to do this in a bathroom. So actually turn your shower on, turn on the hot water, let it steam up in your bathroom, and then install the screen protector in your bathroom, and you will get a perfect, absolute perfect screen protector installation. Because what the steam does is the little dust particles that are floating in the air that we can't really see, the steam in the bathroom, when you turn the hot water on, it weighs down all that dust, all that lint. So it's not going to be floating around in the air, because there's nothing worse than putting on a screen protector and right when you set it down, you get a piece of lint, right in between the display and the screen protector. So I'm not doing it in the bathroom at the moment because I'm recording this, but if I was not recording this, I would be doing this in the bathroom. So let me clean this off real quick. and I will see you on the other side once I get this installed. Okay, so now we have the screen protector installed, and look at this. Let me move this out of the way. Really nice installation, really nice piece of glass. Has the cutout there for the face recognition, as you can tell. I actually like that because it does not allow for the glass. If it has fingerprints, if there's smudges, or if it's dirty by any means, it will potentially block your face from unlocking the phone. But since it has a cutout there, you're not going to have to worry about that whatsoever. So really nice glass. It fits perfectly. There we go. There you can tell that layer of glass sitting on top. And then let's put the case back on it, and I'll show you just how it looks with both the screen protector and the case on it. So, and it's 100% clear. Get a nice view of your display. Does not affect any operation of the device whatsoever. And look at that. Now you are 100% fully protected. You got your nice S25 Edge, and you got your nice screen protector and Thinborne case on there. Look at that. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And as you can tell, the case barely comes up and over that screen protector. So even if you do lay it face down, you still get raised corners, raised sides. So if you do lay it face down, as you can tell here, you're still not going to scratch and or touch the surface of the screen protector. So you keep that nice and clean and scratch resistant. So your device is fully protected, right? From the screen to the bottom with the charging port, that's protected. As we went over earlier, the sides where your buttons are, that's protected. Top's protected. Your other side that's flush obviously is protected, and some would say most importantly of all, your cameras, your sensors are protected. So just an absolute, just a must have if you have this device. This is the only case I've been using since I got it in the mail. This is the only case I've been using. As you know, I love these cases. I use them on all my devices. If you see me out and about running some errands, and you say, hey, what cases you got on right now? Guarantee you they're gonna be these. I can guarantee you that. So you will not be disappointed. That'll do it. Again, links in the description box below. Do appreciate the time. Thinborn, always appreciate it. You make a phenomenal product. Hats off to you. And again, if you got this phone, you're gonna want to get this case. Peace.